Hello, everyone. How are you today? I am Ryan J. McCrary, CEO and founder of McCrary Financial Solutions. We provide financial solutions through financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and digital marketing. So today, I just want to talk about the current income tax season. A lot of money floating around. People getting four, five, $10,000 back as a tax refund, which is great. But I want you to spend that money wisely. Spend that money wisely. Number one, you have to keep in mind you're only getting back your money. So a lot of people think it's a great payday. It's great. I got all this money. It's extra money. But remember that that's just your money that the government took. And they're giving you a microcosm, a very small amount of your own money back. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you have the right mindset. Make sure you're thinking wealthy because the wealthy people, the rich, the people that are wealthy, people have real money. They're not worrying about tax returns. They're not banking on tax returns. They're not waiting for this time of year because they're going to get 5, 10,000 back so they can blow it all or feel good about spending money. The wealthy people around this time of year, they may say, okay, you speak to my accountant, so you now, Mr. McCrary, you only owe 30,000 this year in taxes. So they're paying $30,000 in taxes, not receiving money because they probably made a quarter million or $500,000 last year. So money is relative. Wealth is relative is all how you look at it, but make sure you have that wealthy mindset. So I just wanted to share a few tips on what you can do if you do get a nice size tax refund back. So number one, save money. It may sound cliche, but save your money. So right now, if you're watching this right now and you do not have a savings account, go out tomorrow or the next day, whenever you're watching this at night or during the day or today, go out today or tomorrow, the next business day, whatever the case may be, and go open a savings account. Do it immediately. If you do not have a bank savings account, go open a savings account immediately. Go open it immediately. Don't worry about interest. They're going to say you're going to get 0.5% interest, whatever. You're not going to get no interest. Don't worry about interest. But you want to have generally 3 to 6 months worth of emergency expenses saved up. So if your bills are 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000 a month, if it's 4,000 a month, you want to have like 12, 16, maybe 20,000 saved up. That's the goal, but it may take you 12 months, 24 months, 36 months to do that. That's okay, but you want to have something saved. Something saved. 70% of all Americans have 1,000 or less in savings. 70% of all Americans. 34% of all Americans have zero savings. Zero savings. So if you save $2,000 from your tax refund, you are ahead of 70% of all Americans. That's number one. Saving, okay. Other options are investing. Investing. If you don't have an app, get an app. Acorn, Stash, Robinhood. There are many different apps. You can invest for as little as $5. Little as $5. There's no excuse. Everyone watching this, I think you probably have at least $5 to invest if you haven't already. If you want to get more advanced, you can open a brokerage account like a TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Scottrade, something like that, and go in and actually purchase stocks or get like a mutual fund account that may be a greater investment, but you're building wealth. That money's not disappearing. When you go buy sneaks or jewelry, whatever, that money is disappearing. It's never coming back. When you go buy stocks, you spend $1,000 on some stocks, that money didn't disappear. So if 6 months from now you have an emergency, you absolutely need that money, you can go in and sell that stock and you can have that money and use it. Your money did not disappear. Another thing you can do is buy some property, buy a house, buy a duplex, buy something you can rent out and have residual income. You can collect a check on the first of every month. Go buy some property, buy some land, buy an asset. Another asset you can buy is, or you put into, is a business. Put it into a business. Even if you don't own a business, you can put money into a business, have equity in a business, and still get money, still make money, have your money working for you without you having to physically do anything. It's all about buying assets. Buying assets, guns and butter, things that appreciate in value versus things that don't. What appreciates? Artwork, stocks, bonds, real estate, Bitcoin potentially, gold. What does not appreciate? Cars, clothes, jewelry, all the other dumb stuff that don't mean nothing after you buy it. So with income tax money, are you getting guns or money? Are you getting things that appreciate or things that do not? And here's a secret. You can actually do both. You can have your cake and eat it too. You can do both. So you can buy stocks and then go to the mall and buy all the stuff for your kids or yourself. But buy the stocks first. Take care of business first. Buy the house first before you go on vacation. Before you spend $5,000 on a vacation, do you own a house? Do you own some property? Before you spend, your whole 10,000 income tax, did you put money in a business? Did you try entrepreneurship? Did you put it into a business where it can give you a nice ROI? So it's all about making smart financial decisions. I've seen too much in our community year after year after year. Money gets blown away. 5, 10, 20,000 you had in February. By May, you ain't got nothing. You have 20,000, and then in May comes, you have nothing. You need to make smart financial decisions. So that's my job, just to provide information. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just providing information. So if you do want to make those smart financial decisions, you have a vehicle to go through. For more information, you can go to my website, or you can get my totally free 2018 financial literacy guide at financiallyliteratenow.com. Don't forget the now, financiallyliteratenow.com. That's the free 2018 financial literacy guide. It tells about entrepreneurship and investing and real estate and credit, all that stuff. You can get that. If you want more one-on-one in-depth coaching, go to McCraryFinancialSolutions.com. Schedule a session. You can do a one-on-one session. But if you just want to go in and get that course, it's totally free. 2018 Financial Literacy Guide. Go to www.financiallyliteratenow.com. Financiallyliteratenow.com. Everyone have a great day.